It's a beautiful day outside today. What a great time to get out of the movie theater room and work on another project. This is the stair railing going up to the movie room. Obviously with us going grays and blacks, the wood color is not going to look good. So, got the sander out. Got some stain and poly. We're going to get with it. Okay, in the middle of all my sanding, Velcro came off my tool. So, an essential tool in every Stanley Way toolbox should be Gorilla Glue. So I'm going to glue this back on, hopefully be able to get back to work. But it says 1 to 2 hours drying time, 24 hours for cure time, so it's a good time to go to lunch. Problem is I'm not going to wait 24 hours. Dampen one side like it says, apply to the other side. Is that too much? Not enough? I don't know. Apply. Clamp. And we wait. And now, through the miracle of time, the glue is dried. I didn't do the full 24 hours, just did the 2-hour drying time. We'll see how it works. Now it's time to use our basketball goal for what it's best used for, drying our projects. Well, the handrail is dry and time to put the stain on. I figured we would hang it up in the pergola just to kind of see if it'd be a good angle for me. Nice and dry, hang it from the brackets. Won't have to worry about the wood touching anything. Well, yesterday we worked on the railing, getting it stained to an espresso color to match the dark colors. And we let it dry overnight. I was going to put another polyurethane coating on it, just because I wanted a little bit more shine to it. But after letting it dry all night, we're happy with the way it looks. We didn't want it too shiny, but we wanted a little bit of gloss to it. So I'm going to put it up today and we'll see how it looks. The stairwell handrail is complete and I think it looks great. Nice and sturdy like it needs to be. Matches the grays and the blacks and all that. Now in the stairway we're leaving the ceiling white. Possibly going to leave the moldings at the bottom. Probably going to leave it on both sides of the stairs white. Not sure yet. Obviously we're going to change out this busted carpet. Tan doesn't match, but it's with all the construction, it's really gotten messed up as well. So what I'm going to do later on, I'm going to tear this carpet out and I'm going to do treads. Put treads on top. Maybe do some type of dark stain on it, like an espresso type stain. But we're happy with this so far. We want to get a lot further along in the theater before we do the stairs. I don't know. We'll see. We're happy with everything so far. But as far as the white the gray, the espresso. We still got tan on the second floor, but it's just gonna help kind of transition on up to the modern black and gray movie theater. Another step closer.